guys, welcome back to our channel. So before we start today's video, let me ask you something. Um, let's say you build a great product, but your users keep getting stuck. They don't really get how it works, and now they keep emailing you for help. And since you are a small team led by the founder, so your company is basically led by or run by you. So there's already so much responsibility on your shoulders, right? And now you are stuck doing support calls all day instead of growing your business. That's exactly what one of our clients was going through. And honestly, this happens a lot. Well, this company Triangle IP. They make idea and pattern management tool. It's a really powerful product. But it had grown so much over the years that those old how-to videos didn't even match the tool anymore. So, and of course, there was no support team. So every time a user got confused, the founder had to step in. And the support emails just keep coming. How do I do this? How does that work? Well, here's the tricky part. You can't always make a product simpler, right? Sometimes it's complex because the job it does is complex, right? So the real question was, how do we help users figure things out on their own without burning out the founder? And of course, without hiring a big support team. So let me show you what exactly we did for them. Okay, so we started with building a help center for them, a simple place where users could go and find out their own answers. And we didn't just guess what to put in there. Um, we looked at where people are getting stuck. You know, those I buttons, those help buttons inside the tool, the questions coming through the email. We even asked someone who knew nothing about patterns to go through the product and write down everything they are confused about. And then we said with the founder, we planned this recurring connect for next couple weeks. Like we connected with the founder once in a week and slowly figured out like how everything works. We try to understand everything from the founder, and from that understanding we made 32 help articles and 32 how to videos. Can you imagine? Each one was about a real thing a user wanted to do. And in fact, we try to make all those help articles very easy for a user to follow. We made them step by step. We added snapshots, clips, all of it just to make it easy to follow. And here's the best part I really like. With just 3 or 4 hours of the founder's time, yeah, that's it. Instead of making him record all every videos, we asked him if he can create his AI avatar on any AI platform, and then we did our due diligence. We checked which one is best, and we found Heijen is like the best one, and we went with Heijen, and we asked him politely if he could, you know, create his AI avatar that we can use, and he agreed. So that way, the idea was that we could, keep making videos and keep them updated as the product changed without, pulling the founder every time back in. And now the result. Um, honestly, they were crazy. After the help center went live, active users went up. Uh, it's like 830% increase in the active user count on our help desk. Yeah. Yes, 830 active users you can see on our help desk. And people weren't just visiting, the activity on the site went up over 600%. They were actually using the help content, finding answers themselves, and coming back. And that's the real win. The founder didn't even have to explain everything anymore. The help center did it for them, and it just keep working as the company grows. And really, that's what we love doing at Concurate. We have worked with Triangle IP since 2020. We take complex products and make them simple, easy to understand, and easy to use. And this is one of the proofs here. So, if you have got a great product, but your users keep getting stuck, you can try us, and maybe we can help you without you investing in a supporting. So if you're interested, we can talk.